to my channel. Before I start, let me explain a little bit of what I'm doing right now. I don't want you guys to see my hair, so that's why I'm wearing a jacket. But before we start this video, pause this video, give this video a like because you already know it's gonna be good. Go subscribe to my channel because it's free and the best things in life are free. Go get yourself some popcorn, go get yourself some soda, snack, water, sweet tea, coffee, boba, whatever you need. And I don't know what's going on with this lighting. Okay.
Because your girl's gonna spill some tea.
This looks so weird.
I have been wanting to do something out of my comfort zone. I decided today is the day to do it. What time is it? I think it's like 3. Actually, yesterday I decided this. I was like, okay, I want to do something fun. I want to I'm bored with my hair. I want to do something different. And so I was like,
why not diet? Why not diet?
Why not diet?
Why not diet?
oh yeah, wait. Okay. Hold on, let me explain something. If this video is low quality or the lighting's weird, it's because I'm filming from my phone, and I'll explain that in a little why. Anyway, I was like looking through pictures on Instagram, some YouTubers, and I was like, their hair looks cute. I've been liking ombre, so I wanted to do something ombre. Here's a picture of how I wanted to do it. I was like, okay, let's do it. Nobody else knew except for my family, and I was like, Mom, can you help me do this? Like, I want to do this. And she was like, yeah, blah, blah, yeah, I'll help you to do it. And I was like, thank you. I thought it'd be fun. I woke up at 7:30. We went to go get the stuff at 8 at HEB. And so for me to be able to dye my hair pink, I had to have blonde hair. And in order to have blonde hair, for me, I need to have like a good bleach. We're gonna need this packet to do highlights. That's the one that we used to do my ends of my hair. We bought that, and then I was looking for pink dye and I couldn't find it anywhere, and then I found one and it was super light, and I was like, I don't think this is gonna work out. We were doing this in a time limit because I had a doctor's appointment at 12. I was like, okay, we gotta hurry, let's just get that one. Let's see how it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And this one was semi-permanent, which isn't something I wanted, and I was like, okay, if it's semi-permanent, I can just wash it off if I don't like it. So we bought those things, and we went home. I set up the video. I was setting up the video. I was trying to explain what we were gonna do. I was mixing the powders. I was mixing the bleach. I was mixing everything I needed to do. Then we started. But the thing is, I have a cat and a dog. I set up my camera in the kitchen. We did it in the kitchen. They were in the kitchen, they were running back and forth. They almost kept dropping my camera. Coco just kept barking the whole time.
Hi, Coco.
Okay.
Coco, be careful. Ay.
Coco. So I was just frustrated. And so then we were doing my hair. We were putting the bleach in my hair on my ends, covering it with foil, and we waited 45 minutes. We ended waiting at 10:45. My doctor's appointment is at 12. So I was like, okay, we're not gonna have time to dye my hair pink at this moment. We're just gonna wash the bleach out. We're gonna finish doing the bleach part, and then when we come back from the doctor's appointment, we will do the pink stuff.
She vlogging or whatever.
We washed everything out. I was a little worried because it wasn't blonde. I mean, it was like golden blonde. The ends were more platinum blonde, not even that close to platinum blonde, but it was somewhere around there. I was like, okay, we're just gonna work with it. We put the toner in, I washed my hair out, then we went to the doctor's appointment. We go over there just for it to get canceled. We come back, it is about to be 1, I think. I start mixing the pink dye with conditioner, putting it in my hair. It was a little difficult. My mom was helping me throughout this whole thing, which I'm so thankful for. I finished putting the dye in my hair. I waited 20 to 30 minutes, and I was like,
Oh my gosh, it looks cute.
I washed it again. I start blow drying it. When I finished curling it, I was like, okay, let me get my camera because we're gonna finish this video. I went to go get my camera, and I was like unscrewing my camera from the tripod. I was like paying more attention to my phone instead of my camera. My camera falls over. This camera has gone through a lot. one more fall isn't gonna do anything to it. I pick it up, I was like, okay.
Okay.
I turn it on to see if it's okay. It turns on, but the screen is completely black, and I was like, okay.
Okay.
I'll just film with my phone, which isn't so bad because it makes me look better, I think. All of that happened. This is the finishing look. My hair smells good. I like it. Like, look, this part. You know, I'm not even... I like it. I mean, the ends are more pink. They were more blonde, so you can see the pink better. You can see the yellow, but whatever. If you're looking to do this at your house, I recommend not do it on your own because it's really stressful. Well, at least for me it was. It took how many hours? It took 5 hours. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!